do, YouTube? Today, you guys, I have a DIY for you guys today. So let me just show y'all what I have here. Hold on. I got some jewels that I got from Walmart. Got my glue gun. And I also have some sandals here, some slides. I'm gonna be putting these jewels on the slides. I'm making these for my daughter. So here is the slides. So what I'm gonna do now, just cut this off. Take these on out of here. These are cute too, y'all. Very pretty. Now, I had to cut all this off. Now what I'm going to do is open them up. Okay, so I'm going to take them out. I don't know which size I'm going to use. But look at these. Aren't these pretty? Let's see. Tell me, y'all. Y'all help me out. Which one looks better? Should I do the small ones, the medium-sized ones, or the big ones? Let's see. So you guys, I think I'm gonna use the small ones. I'm not sure, but look at this, y'all. Look, it comes. Oh. Okay, so let me see what I'm gonna do first. What I'm gonna do first is, or maybe I should use the big ones because that's gonna hurt my hand. That's gonna be too much work. I don't know. Let me think about it. Look at y'all can see this is peeling right off. Boom. So what I'm gonna do is add some glue on the back of here so it can stick. Y'all, these are already stick on, so I'm gonna put the glue on to try so it can stick on even longer, but I don't know. I hope I don't burn myself. There we go. So right now I'm just gonna glue this on. Can y'all see what I'm doing? Uh-oh. Okay, so let me stop it right there. We don't want no extra glue. So now what I'm gonna do is okay. Y'all know it's sticky, so I'm gonna add some glue right here. Okay. Oh, see, look, y'all, I didn't use too much glue. I shouldn't have did that. That's how it's looking so far. So I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side, you guys. So I got both sides done. Now I'm gonna go on to the bigger jewels. See, I just put a little glue right there, and then I'm just gonna hit it on there. Put it on there, you guys. Uh-oh, my glue stick fell out. Yes. So basically, you guys, I'm just about to keep repeating this step, and I'm trying to get it as close as I can. Realize we can. So yeah, I'm gonna come back once this is done. So you guys, this is what I have done so far, and then I'm gonna take the biggest jewels that I have and put them right here. You see what I'm saying? Yes. So I might as well just let y'all see me put this on. Okay, there's one. See, these big ones, yeah, they come off pretty good. So what I'm just gonna do is do this to make it go by quicker. And boom, chick, boom. Yes, see how easy that was? So I'm gonna have to go back and then get all the, you see that little space right there? I might put a few small jewels right there. Okay, I don't know if y'all can see. I got the smallest ones and I'm just moving it. Oh, shoot. No. Hold on, I gotta put this down right here. There we go. Then I'm just gonna rip it off. And then press it down. That's how it's looking so far. Now let me go to the other side. The other side. Okay, so we're just gonna then you can clean it up, you know, get all the glue. Okay, let's put this down. Oh shit, y'all can even see. Okay, there we go. Now y'all can see. Let me get some more juice. Oh, look at that. All that came off. Okay. Okay. Ooh, hit it. Okay. Oh, actually, I need that to be a little closer. I wonder if I can. I'm just gonna test this out, see if this can fit right here. Scoot that over a little bit, maybe. Yeah, I'm just gonna put that one right here. Boom. Let me say this. Then I got a medium size jewel. Ooh, that's too much glue. Okay, get another medium size. Wait, let me see if that's gonna fit right there. Nope. I think I'm gonna get the small ones now. Woo! I just love when it come off like that, y'all. Okay, so we're gonna just glue it. Can y'all see? Just glue it on right here. Some says put your hands on your knees. Hey. Tap in. Uh-oh. Y'all see that little space right there? We can just fill it in. Do it as you go. Okay, hold on. Okay. Now that would be hot. I ain't even land to you. Hold on. So this might be the last jewel. I'm just gonna put that on right there. And then I'm gonna clean up and then let y'all see the finished product. So y'all might have to wait for this to dry all the way to get everything off, because I don't want it, you know, the juice to come up. So this is the finished product. Some cute little slides before and after. Yes, yes, yes. So if you like this video, hold on, let me say this. Hold on, one sec. So y'all seen the finished product. If you like this video and would like to see more DIYs, give this video a thumbs up. Comment below what other videos you'd like to see, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. So let me show you again before. Hold on. There you go, before and after. Bedazzled. These kind of like some mermaid slides. I like it. My daughter, I think she's gonna love it. I'm gonna work on the other one. So with that being said, peace, you guys. I'm out. Bye. So you guys, these are the finished product. Oh dang, I forgot to add the diamonds on the edges over there like I did these ones. But every time I come around, you see the bling bling. She gonna love these. That's it. Peace out.